Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this pumpkin spice latte inspired fall makeup tutorial. I also wanted to give a big thank you to anyone who subscribed to me. I now have 200 subscribers, which I never thought that would happen. And I just started this channel at 16 in my bedroom with my iPhone. I never thought that I would be here and have 200 subscribers. I really wanted to say thank you. And yeah, let's just get into this look. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is use my Profusion pigment-based eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. And my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to blend that out. And then I'm going to use my Milani Ungilded Most Loved Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here, Not So Vanilla, with my Real Techniques shading brush. And just set my inner corner to brow bone with that shadow. And I'm going to use my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like a really nice light yellowy orange shade. It's a perfect transition. And I'm using my AOA Studio E126 brush. And just blending that in my crease. And then I'm going to use this orange shade right here. It's like a pumpkin orange shade. It's so pretty. And I'm going to take the AOA Studio E128 brush and just apply that orange shadow in my crease to build up that pumpkin shade. And then I'm going to go back into the Milani palette and if I can get it open. And I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon Spice to add a nice brown chocolatey depth in there on the outer corner. And I'm using the AOA E130 brush for this. And I'm going to kind of bring it on this outer lid too. Just deepen everything up. And then I'm going in with the brush that we used the orange on and just blending out the edges of that very softly. I'm going to go in with the NYX Ultimate Glow Shots Brightening Liquid Eyeshadow. And this one is in the shade, where is it? Lemon Slade. It's a perfect yellow gold shade. It's so pretty. And it's not glittery, but it's like so metallic and so pretty. So I'm just going to apply that in the areas that we don't have any shadow and do kind of like a half cut crease with this. And then I am just going to fan that dry. So that is the eyes all done. I really love this look. It's my favorite fall look like ever. So now I'm just going to move on to my face makeup. I'm going to do my exact foundation routine that I just did. I just did a video of it, a tutorial, like a full acne coverage foundation routine. I'm going to do that same routine, so if you want to see that, I will link it in the IO for you guys so you can check it out. And yeah, I'm just going to do my face makeup real quick. Okay, so then I'm going to use my Maybelline City bronzer because I'm still going to show you guys my cheeks, my bronzer and such. So I'm going to use the Maybelline City bronzer with the Morphe JH02 brush. It's just a very nice warm bronzer. And just bronze up my face with that. And then I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette. And I'm using a mixture of this one and Coral. And my Morphe JH04 brush. For highlighter, I'm going to use Glisten, which is a gorgeous kind of like white gold shade. And I'm using my Ducare highlighting brush. And I'm also going to take Glisten and apply it in my inner corners just to brighten that up. And then I'm obviously going to set my face with my Milani Make It Last spray. And then for eyebrows, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Bite-Size Brow Palette as always, and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush. And I'm going to finish off my eyes, so I'm going to use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude on my waterline. And I'm going to do a light coat of the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm going to do a thin line with my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black on my upper lid, obviously where you would normally put eyeliner, and I'm gonna pop on my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. And then to finish off this look, I'm gonna use my Maybelline cream lipstick in the shade 920 Nude Lust. It's a very, very pretty nude shade. Okay, so this is the completed fall makeup tutorial, pumpkin spice latte inspired eye. So yeah, I always do this every year because I just love this look so much. I just switch up the products a little bit. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.